Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlight mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we got a nice hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system, floor mats, carpeted interior. We have storage and cup holders, rear vents with charging outlets, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system. We have our auto stop assert lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 5.7 kilometers. We do get this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do have my view, trip, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible with tons of storage, wireless charging, some outlets right there, cup holders, got an interior work surface where you can put your meal down, laptop, totally up to you. We've got our storage underneath as well, and it is lockable. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, and some outlets on the side here. We have upper and lower storage up here as well with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have our park assist, hazards traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, vehicle settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE81929, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.